Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google One AI Premium. Once exclusive AI features, Google One AI Premium gives you Gemini AI access and advanced tools in Google Apps. Now in this video, I'll show you how to use Google One AI Premium and unlock its benefits. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to subscribe to Google One AI Premium. And to do that, just go to one.google.com, search for it, and then type in and choose the first website. Now after you enter the website, sign up using your Google account's credentials, but just by clicking on sign up. And after you sign up, you can be directed to your home page here, your account's home page. From here, after you sign in, click on storage and then get more storage. Click on get more storage. Now here you can see all the plans that you can buy. You can see the basic plan, which has 100 gigabytes, which offers you 100 gigabytes. The premium plan, which offers you 2 terabytes, or the AI premium plan, which offers also 2 terabytes plus Gemini advanced with the AI models and 2 terabytes of storage for Photos Drive Google, and also Gemini and Gmails, Docs and more, which can help you write Gmails and documents, etc. and all other benefits in the premium plan. Now if you want this plan here, you can start a free trial for 30 days, for 1 month, and you can experience the AI premium plan. Now the second step is to access AI powered features, and to do that, just open Gemini AI. You can look for it in Google. This is the one right here. Now after you open Gemini AI, use advanced AI chat and assistance. Now in Google Docs and Gmail, you can also use AI writing suggestions powered by Gemini. For the third step, you can customize the AI settings. Now in Google One settings, enable or disable AI tools as needed, and Google might roll out new AI features, so check for updates. Now AI Premium plan includes 2 terabytes of storage along with the AI tools, and if you cancel AI Premium, AI features will stop, but you'll keep your storage until the end of the billing cycle. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you use Google One AI Premium. Subscribe, access AI tools, and enhance your Google apps and AI assistants. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.